Like, I already know this. Hello, guys, and welcome to Be Fluent Anywhere. Exactly. Be Fluent Anywhere, where you can learn English with everyday tips that I'm going to share with you here and also on my Instagram. If you're not following, please do it now. Let's go straight to the point. Today, I'm super excited to share 5 valuable tips to help you on your journey on learning English. I'm pretty sure you probably have heard this before, but I want to make it clear. It's all about putting the effort and trying to follow a plan. Writing steps and making your goals clear will help you along the way. So, tip number 1, set clear goals. Define why do you want to learn English and what you want to achieve. Is it for travel, for work, or even for personal growth? Having clear goals will keep you motivated and focused. Let's go to tip number 2. Immerse yourself. Surround yourself with English as much as you can. Watch English language movies, read English books, and try to think in English. Get used to the language's rhythm and flow. I speak in Portuguese. I'm Brazilian. So for me, when I'm speaking in Portuguese, it's totally different. I have my own voice in Portuguese. And you will notice many people, when they speak different languages, they will have their own voice. Of course, so my flow will be faster, my thinking will be faster, everything. And even the way I speak, I'll probably sound more direct. And in English, I feel that I'm more delicate, and when I'm speaking, I think about what I'm gonna say, even though it's been a long time. Like sometimes there are words that I have to remember. I will get confused. Sometimes I will say one word in Portuguese and another in English, and it's not on purpose. It's because our brain works so fast that we cannot keep up with it. And it's normal. So if you're going through this, you're forgetting words and you're mixing the languages up, don't worry. It is super normal. And that comes to tip number 3. Practice speaking. Speaking is crucial for fluency. I know, Babs, I already know this, but are you doing this? The important thing is to practice, is to do. Are you doing this? Are you practicing your English? One good thing you can do is find a language exchange partner, join conversation groups, or use language learning apps that offer vocabulary, that offer knowledge, and also maybe even conversational practice. Now, here's where our 4th tip comes in. Use English learning apps like Promova. I want to give you a shout out to Promova for sponsoring this video. The Promova app offers vocabulary exercises. Promova provides an excellent platform for language learners, offering lessons in 16 languages. I'm gonna link the app in the description below. Please follow the link and check it out. I'm sure you'll learn a ton. And last but not least, stay consistent. Learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. You're not gonna learn English in a month. There's no way. You can have a big improvement in a month, but you're not gonna learn everything. Even in Portuguese, sometimes I hear people, saying words that I've never heard in my life. So don't worry, it is a marathon, not a sprint. Set aside a dedicated time for practice every day. It could be 10-15 minutes at least, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. That's what I'm saying. If you forget anything, if you're in a particular day you're not feeling your best, don't worry, go for a walk, do something else, and then go back to it. I'm sure you get through it. And remember, consistency is key to success. So you have it, 5 valuable tips to help you learn English effectively. So remember to set clear goals, to immerse yourself in the language, practice speaking, use English learning apps like Promova, and stay consistent. With dedication and the right tools, you can achieve your English language goals. And if you find these tips helpful, please like and subscribe for more learning tips and recommendations. See you for now, Befluencers. Bye. Don't forget to download Promova app. See you later, alligator.